guys, it's Susie Bullock from HeyGrillHey.com, and if you're here, that means we already have something amazing in common. We both love good barbecue, and that's perfect because here at Hey Grill Hey, my whole goal is to help you make better barbecue so you can feed the people you love and become a backyard barbecue hero. One of the people I love, Todd, my husband and official taste tester, is obsessed with grilled chicken thighs. And this recipe for these lemon and herb marinated grilled chicken thighs is lights out his favorite every time, so that's what we're whipping up today. Let's do it. Let's get started with our chicken thigh marinade. Here's what you're gonna need to put the marinade together. 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And then for the liquid part of the marinade, you're gonna need a cup of olive oil, a half a cup of white wine, and a half a cup of white wine vinegar. So go ahead and add those liquid ingredients to a gallon zip top bag. To that, we're gonna add 5 cloves of minced garlic. Now we need to prep our herbs. We're using 2 tablespoons of flat leaf Italian parsley, 2 tablespoons of rosemary, a tablespoon of thyme, and a tablespoon of oregano. Now we're using fresh herbs. If you're gonna substitute for dried herbs, you actually need a little bit less. I'll cut it about by a third. You just wanna give all of your herbs a really nice fine mince. Add your herbs into your marinating bag. And then the rest of our seasonings. We're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. This just really balances out the marinade with a kiss of sweetness. A tablespoon of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, a teaspoon of red pepper flakes just for a kiss of heat, and then the zest and the juice of 1 lemon. I'm like scared I'm gonna cut myself. All the ingredients are in. Zip your marinating bag closed, and then give it a good mix to get all those ingredients incorporated. Marinade is ready. Grab some tongs and get your boneless, skinless chicken thighs into the marinade. Once these are all in, we're just gonna pop it in the fridge and let these marinate for at least 4 hours, up to 8 hours. You'll really get a lot of flavor. One of the reasons that I like these boneless, skinless chicken thighs is it just gives you a ton of surface area for this yummy, lemony, herby goodness to get on all sides of the chicken breast. Thighs. Chicken thighs. Chicken's ready to go into the fridge. I love to get this prepared in the morning, so by dinner time, it's ready to grill. Chicken is marinated. We've got our grill preheated. You're looking for between 400 and 450 degrees. We're working on charcoal today, but this works perfectly on gas or your pellet grill, whatever you can get up to those temps. And for our charcoal, we just have the coals arranged pretty evenly across the bottom with a small space that's kind of our indirect zone if we need to move any chicken thighs that are cooking too quickly off to the cool zone. Just shake off any excess marinade, get your thighs directly on the grill grate. They're probably gonna take about 6 to 8 minutes per side. So we're getting some really nice color over here where the coals are hot. And then once I get the kind of grilled char on the outside that I like, I'll move them over to the cooler areas to finish cooking. Now, chicken is FDA safe at 165 degrees, but I actually prefer to take chicken thighs up to 175 degrees. They have enough fat in them to stay juicy, and that higher temp breaks down some of that tight connective tissue, and you'll get a more moist, juicy, melt in your mouth chicken thigh. These thighs look beautiful. They're up to that perfect temperature. We're gonna pull them off, let them rest on the cutting board for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're ready to eat. Well, these look delicious, and you know we can't finish a video without tasting them because I would never, ever give you a recipe that we don't eat and love at home. So I get to try a bite of these tasty, juicy, lemony, garlicky chicken thighs. Also, Todd.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Are these my chicken thighs?
I know they're your favorite. I got you your own fork though. Here, borrow my knife. I love the char on the outside of these from the grill. Charcoal does something magical to chicken thighs.
What's this? I'm gonna
A little extra lemon juice.
lemon on there.
They're so moist already. You got all the fresh herbs,
Oh, it's so good.
lemon, white wine. These are like a perfect weeknight dinner. But I think they have fancy enough flavors you could do dinner party chicken thighs.
Absolutely.
Well, we're gonna finish off this tray. Maybe we'll share with our kids.
Probably. There's a lot of chicken.
I hope you guys make this recipe at home. If you do, snap a photo because they're incredibly photogenic chicken thighs. Share it online, use the hashtag HeyGrillHey. That way Todd and I can see what you're cooking up at home for your family and cheer you on your way to becoming a backyard barbecue hero. See you next time. Todd, you know we wrapped filming, right?
Oh, yeah?